Hi, so for this Learn to Stamp video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial just on cleaning your stamps. So my kind of favorite way to clean my stamps up till now has been the Stampin Scrub. So it comes like this. So you can close it, open it. You'll notice on one side, I don't know if you can see it, there's a wet side. It has little raindrops, water drops on one side, and then a dry side, which has, you can see that, the sun there. Okay, so really what you're going to do is once you've stamped, I have a nice dirty stamp here, you're going to use some of this Stampin' Mist, and you just spray the wet side with the Stampin' Mist. Okay, then once you've used your stamp, you can see this one has red and blue ink on it. You're just going to rub it on the wet side to clean it off. Okay, see, voila, ink is gone. And then you're going to rub it on the dry side just to dry it. Okay, and there you go, you have your clean stamp. Voila. Okay, and you can close it up. You don't have to spray it every time. You can spray it and clean several stamps. These also pop out, so you can wash them and then just let them air dry. So if you notice that you're rubbing and your stamps still have a little bit of ink residue on them, it probably just means that you've used this a bunch and it needs to be washed. So that's one of the ways to clean your stamps. The other way that we've just kind of recently added is the Simply Chamois. Now, I haven't even actually used mine yet. I just got it. So I'll use it with you guys for the first time. So these are actually sized really nicely that they fit in one of our stamp cases. So this, all you do is you wet it. This one's actually it comes damp, but it fits perfectly in a small stamp case for storage. And then what you do is you just wet it. This one's damp already, and you rub I don't know if you can see, this has blue ink on it. But you just rub that on like it literally just sucked that ink right off. That was really cool. And then your stamp is clean, like it's magic. So you keep doing that. The ink will not transfer to another stamp. Like that's it. It sucked it in there. And you keep going, and then you can just wash it out. It will stain, like it's going to look funky, but it still works fabulous. And you just make sure it's wet every time. And that's all you do, and you keep it in the stamp case. And it, like, you saw how fast that was. Like, that was really weird. Really neat, though, that it just sucked the ink right off of that. So that's the other option that we now also offer. And this just kind of fits right on your shelf with your stamp, so it's great for storing it. The other thing is that if you're using Stays-On ink, this is a permanent black ink that we offer, which you use like for doing outlines with watercoloring or other stamp techniques, is that we also have a Stays-On cleaner. Okay, so because this is a permanent ink, this doesn't come off your blocks or your stamps just with like our water or our chamois. You'll need to get the Stays-On cleaner, and then you just rub it on the stamp, okay, and wipe it off with like a damp cloth to clean your stamps with. Okay, and again, that's only for this black kind of permanent solvent ink. So that is how you clean your stamps. Okay, so pretty straightforward. Try out the chamois, let me know what you think. You can order it in my shop, and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Bye.